Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making avocado toast. If you like to see how this is made, please keep watching. So this is the list of ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. So into a bowl, I'll be cracking 2 eggs. I'm using 2 medium-sized eggs for this recipe. I'm just going to be cracking them into my small bowl. And next I'll be adding salt to taste. Just add a little bit of salt according to your taste and preference. And then I'll be adding ground white pepper to this. And next I'm going to be whisking it together. Yes, I'm using a fork to whisk my eggs. I'm just going to be whisking it so they're properly smooth and combined. And next I'll be frying these eggs. So I'll be adding extra virgin olive oil to my pan that's already heated. And I'll just be adding the eggs to it. And next I'll be using my spatula to move the eggs because I want the eggs to come out looking like a bit of a scrambled egg, though there is no milk in it. So I'm just going to be using my spatula to move the eggs together and make sure they are centered at the middle of the pan. And leave it for a while to cook up properly. And after cooking, I'm just going to flip it. You can see how it's looking to make sure the other side of the egg is cooked properly as well. And you can see my egg is properly cooked. It was almost burnt, but it was good. So I'm just going to take it off the pan for now. So next I'll be using avocado for this recipe. I'm using avocado. It's an avocado toast. So I'm just going to be using 1 avocado because I have large avocados in this bag. So I'm just going to be using 1 avocado for this recipe. So you can see the avocado from the tip of it that is looking ripe when you remove the head of the avocado. And next I'm just gonna be cutting my avocado. You can see how good that looks. This avocado is so ripe and so yum, though it's not a little bit, it's not salty, so you can add a little bit of salt to it if you want to make it salty, but it's just okay as it is. So I'll be using 2 slices of bread for this. I toasted my bread in the oven. I'm just being creative with what I have because I don't have toaster, so I just heated it up in the oven to come up a little bit crunchy when I'm eating it. And next I'm just going to be scooping some avocado into the bread. I'm just going to be coating the bread with avocado to make sure there's avocado in every bit of the bread. So next I'm going to be coating the second slice of bread with avocado again. As you can see in this recipe, I use 1 of the halves of the avocado for just the 2 slices of bread. So I believe 1 whole avocado can be used for 4 slices of bread and you can coat them properly. So next I'll be adding my eggs to this, and you can see that looks good already. So I'm just going to cover it up, and there you have it. That's the other side of the avocado I didn't use. I'm going to cut my avocado toast for you guys to see, and you can see that looks good already. This is how it turned out to be. The egg looks so smooth inside, and you can see the filling. It looks good, and trust me guys, this tastes very yum. You can have it with tea, you can have it with coffee, you can have it with hot chocolate, whatever you like. And this is my avocado toast. Looks good and it tastes yum. Thank you for watching.